Ladies and gentlemen, football, the beautiful game, is more than just a sport. It's a universal language that connects people from every corner of the world. From the crowded streets of Rio de Janeiro to the green fields of Manchester, from African villages to European stadiums, football has united hearts for generations. When we talk about football, we talk about teams, those powerful units of passion, strategy, and spirit. A football team is not just 11 players chasing a ball, it's a family built on trust, discipline, and shared dreams. Think about the greats: Brazil, with its samba style and legends like Pelé and Neymar. Germany, known for discipline and precision. Argentina, the land of Messi's magic. France, blending flair with power. Spain, the masters of tiki-taka. And England, the birthplace of football, where passion runs deeper than history itself. Each of these teams tells a story, not just of winning matches, but of resilience, unity, and heart. Soccer ball, the spirit of teamwork. In football, no one wins alone. Even the best player in the world needs support. A striker needs a midfielder to pass the ball. A goalkeeper needs defenders to protect the goal. This balance of trust is what makes football teams great. A perfect example is Leicester City's Premier League victory in 2016, a true underdog story. They had no superstar names, no massive budget, but what they had was teamwork, discipline, and belief. They reminded the world that unity beats individual glory. That's the real magic of football. It teaches us that when people come together with one goal, miracles happen. Globe football teams and global unity. Football crosses borders. When national teams play, the world watches. The World Cup isn't just a tournament, it's a festival of humanity. For 90 minutes, wars, politics, and problems fade away, and people cheer together as one. Look at moments like South Africa hosting the 2010 World Cup, the entire continent stood proud. Or Morocco reaching the World Cup semi-finals in 2022, the first African and Arab team to do so. It wasn't just about football, it was about breaking barriers, inspiring generations, and giving hope to millions. Every football team, big or small, represents more than players, it represents dreams, identity, and pride. Trophy the great rivalries. Football wouldn't be the same without rivalries. They bring passion, energy, and unforgettable moments. Think of Barcelona versus Real Madrid, the El Clasico, two philosophies, two worlds colliding. Or Manchester United versus Liverpool, a clash of history and pride. On the international stage, Brazil versus Argentina lights up the world every time. But what's most beautiful? These rivalries end with mutual respect. Because at the heart of every battle is a shared love for the game. Lessons from football teams. Football teams teach us lessons that apply far beyond the field. 1. Teamwork matters. A single player can't win the game alone. 2. Discipline creates champions. Talent fades without effort. 3. Failure is part of success. Even legends lose before they rise. 4. Respect your opponents. They bring out the best in you. 5. Never stop believing. Until the last whistle, the game isn't over. Legends who inspired the world. Every football team is built by legends who inspire not just their teammates, but entire nations. Pelé and Zico showed the joy of playing. Maradona carried Argentina to glory with heart and magic. Cristiano Ronaldo taught us about hard work and never giving up. Lionel Messi showed that greatness can be humble. Marta from Brazil and Alexia Putellas from Spain proved that women's football shines just as bright. These icons remind us that football is not just a sport, it's a dream that lives in every child who kicks a ball. The modern football teams. Today's football is faster, more tactical, and more connected than ever. Clubs like Manchester City, Real Madrid, Bayern Munich, and Paris Saint-Germain dominate the world stage with strategy and skill. But even with all the fame and technology, the essence remains the same: 11 players, one ball, one goal. Fans around the world support their teams with emotion, singing, chanting, crying, celebrating. Because football teams give people something to believe in, something to belong to. Football is a symbol of hope. Football has changed lives. From poor neighborhoods to refugee camps, a football can turn despair into joy. Programs across the world use football to educate, empower, and unite young people. As Nelson Mandela once said, sport has the power to change the world. Football teams prove that, every day. One team, one dream. So, when we see a football team walking onto the pitch, remember, it's not just a game. It's a story of courage, brotherhood, and dreams. Each pass, each goal, each cheer is a reminder that teamwork, passion, and perseverance can achieve the impossible. Football teams inspire us to believe, to fight for our dreams, to play fair, and to never give up, no matter the score. Because in football, as in life, the final whistle only comes when you stop trying. Thank you.